September is National Recovery Month, raising awareness for people battling substance abuse.
Fox 43 Sedona Meadows joins us live outside York City Hall, where overdose prevention groups will be gathering today for their monthly Narcan distribution event. Good morning, Sedona.
Yeah, good morning, guys. So in just a little less than an hour, we're going to see some groups out here that are going to be setting up and providing that free Narcan medication to anyone who comes by. And then they're going to be kind of giving a little bit of a demonstration on that medication and talking more about how that can potentially save some lives. I'm actually here with Jamie Morris, who is an overdose fatality review coordinator for the city of York. Jamie, tell me a little bit about why these events are so important here in our community.
It's really important because we like to educate the community in case they are a bystander in the event of an overdose, that they can respond appropriate either by giving Narcan or calling 911 for EMS to respond.
Gotcha. And I understand that you guys have all sorts of different preventative initiatives here in the community. Tell us more about those.
Yeah, we do. We actually host an overdose fatality review. We review overdose deaths, and then from those reviews, we make recommendations and implement them into the community. So a lot of our events come from that.
Gotcha. Can you speak on any of those kind of recommendations? Obviously, I'm sure these kind of distribution events are part of that, right?
Yeah, so one is promoting Narcan as adding it to a first aid kit. We have some other prevention methods, working with some local organizations and distributing wound care kits and grief support resources for individuals after the death of an overdose.
Wow, that is huge support resources there for them. And speaking of overdose fatalities, what are we seeing here in York County?
Currently, last year we had 145 overdose deaths in York County, and this year we're trending early August at 43 overdose deaths. So currently we're trending downward.
So that is a decrease, and nationally we're also seeing that as well. Is there, any potential reasons for that decrease?
That could be from a variety of reasons. The Narcan distribution, having access, bystanders being educated on how to intervene. It could also be more prevention efforts occurring inside the community.
Gotcha. And with it being National Recovery Month, what kind of messaging do you hope to provide to the community, anybody who may be struggling with substance abuse?
Of course. We always say that recovery is possible, that with the right treatment, with the right support, that recovery is possible, and it's for everyone. So we really hope to spread that message and just encourage that support.
Yeah, definitely recovery can look different for everyone, and reducing that stigma behind addiction, right?
Correct.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Jamie. Really appreciate your time. Like we said, at 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. outside York City Hall, they're going to be distributing Narcan to anybody in the public that wants to learn more about the medication and also learn some of those signs of overdose. Live in York, Sedona Meadows, Fox 43 News.
All right, Sedona, thanks so much for that important information.